The recent escalation of hostilities in Goma and the surrounding areas is a stark reminder of the increasing fragility the situation presents, and that only collective action to facilitate a negotiated solution will offer relief.
We will remain standing after all their excellencies have positioned. We're going to have the anthems by the Tanzania brass band. I'm not seeing the brass band in the room. Are they coming to sing from here or outside? Okay, they are walking in. As soon as all their excellencies are on their seats, we're going to have the anthems in this order, beginning with the anthem of the United Republic of Tanzania, followed by the anthem of the East African Community, and the anthem of the Southern African Development Community. I think all their excellencies are on their seats. I'll request that we proceed into the anthem. Brass band, thank you. United Republic of Tanzania anthem, followed by East African Community anthem and SADC anthem. Thank you. We may be seated, Your Excellencies.
The recent escalation of hostilities in Goma and the surrounding areas is a stark reminder of the increasing fragility the situation presents, and that only collective action to facilitate a negotiated solution will offer relief. Today, we join together in order to reiterate our calls to the parties to this tragic conflict to immediately cease hostilities and take positive action to allow meaningful dialogue aimed at restoration of stability. Specifically, we stand together to call on all parties to actualize the ceasefire, and specifically on the M23 to halt further advancement and the armed forces of DRC to cease all retaliatory measures. An immediate ceasefire is the only way by which we can create necessary conditions for constructive dialogue and implementation of a comprehensive peace agreement. As members of the African Union and United Nations, we stand bound by fundamental principles of respect for the territorial integrity and sovereignty of nations and the principle of good neighborliness. These twin principles are the surest safeguards for the realization of peaceful coexistence.